In Inmoconnect, My Inventory is your personal collection where you can see all the properties you have saved or added. In this video, we will show you how My Inventory works and how to use it effectively. To open My Inventory, click on My Inventory in the left menu. On the top you see Resale Limit and New Build Limit. On a limited account you can see how many properties of the maximum allowed properties are in use. Below this there are two buttons: Resale Property and New Build Projects. Standard, it opens resale properties, but you can click on New Build Projects to see the projects you have in your inventory from developers. Now you can see all the developments. You see the name, amount of available units, and the company listing them. You can see information about the commission swell. On the right-hand side of the screen there are two buttons: View Development and Delete. When you want to remove a development, you can press on the white button Delete. When you want to view a development, you press on the blue button View Development. The development will open. In the top right corner, you will see the price range of the units. You can view all the details and pictures of the development. To delete the development from your inventory, click on the bin icon below the price. Below, you will see the units added to your profile. Click on the eye icon to open a specific unit and see all its information. To go back, click on My Inventory in the left menu. You will go back to the resale properties. Here you can see the commission you can earn and the most important details of the property. On the left side, you have several options: the WhatsApp logo to start a conversation immediately, the chat button for the internal chat, the delete button to remove the property, and the view property button to see all details. When you click on View Property, it will open in a new page where you can see all the property information. You will see the property name and all available details about the property. On the right side, you will see the price. Below the price, there is a WhatsApp button to contact the agency directly. Next to it is the chat button and the heart icon. You can click the heart to add the property to your saved items. When you want to see the property pictures, simply click on any of the images. This will enlarge the picture. You can navigate through the images by clicking on the left or right side of the photo. The control buttons are located on both the left and right side. To close the images, press the X in the top right corner. When you scroll down, you will see the full property details. You can find the overview with property reference, type, build size, and the listing company. Further down, there is a detailed property information section including bedrooms, bathrooms, completion year, and the full description of the property. You will also see the property pricing with the sale price and the affiliate commission you can earn. Further down, you will see the map of the property location. You can zoom in and out on the map by using the plus and minus buttons located in the top left corner of the map. Further down, you will find the property dimensions, including the built size and plot size. You can also see the energy information such as code to emission and energy consumption. Below that are the property documents, showing which documents are available like Nota Simple, IBI receipt, and first occupancy license. At the bottom, you will see the company information of the agency that listed the property, including their contact details and company name. The last option on the property page is the property tour. If the agency has added a video tour, it will be visible here. In this case, it is a YouTube video tour embedded on the page. You can watch the full virtual tour of the property directly from this page. Thank you for watching and good luck with Inmoconnect.